Introducing EnWave Boards, redefining modern interiors. EnWave boards are made from industrial-grade MLP and aluminum, engineered for strength, safety, and lasting performance. Traditional plywood is organic, turning kitchens into a breeding ground for termites. But EnWave boards are different. With no organic material, they offer 100% termite resistance and unmatched durability. EnWave boards are versatile and built for real-world applications across interior and industrial spaces. EnWave boards for durable partitions, strong, lightweight, and easy to install for home and office interiors. No swelling, no warping, just stable, long-lasting walls. High-strength mezzanine flooring, engineered to support heavy loads without adding structural weight. Perfect for warehouses, workspaces, and industrial storage zones. Trench covers with EnWave boards, rust-free and impact-resistant for safe movement in industrial areas. Shaft closers with EnWave boards, secure and rigid closure panels that ensure building safety. Reusable, lightweight, and designed for convenient installation. Portable toilets with EnWave boards, weatherproof, hygienic, and built for outdoor durability. A reliable and clean option for construction sites and public use. EnWave boards are ideal for false ceilings, offering a clean finish with lightweight panels that don't sag or warp. Long-lasting looks, minimal maintenance. For roof gardens and flower pot bases, they provide a water-resistant, rot-free support surface that prevents seepage and protects the structure. In VDF floor lining, EnWave boards act as a durable leveling layer, resisting cracks and surface stress in heavy-duty flooring. In farmhouse and penthouse interiors, they offer stylish, moisture-proof solutions for kitchens, balconies, and open lifestyle spaces. For office cubicles, EnWave boards enable quick installation, clean aesthetics, and dependable long-term performance. At EnWave, innovation meets responsibility. Our materials are sustainable, recyclable, and GreenPro Certified, helping save nature